Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss about charting vowels, in which we will discuss that how chart of vowel is formed, and it is very important chart in study of phonetics and phonology. Let's see on the written text. Starting from the upper left corner again, the first vowel that we encounter a front, high, tense and rounded vowel is represented by the symbol E. By E is closed in bracket. This is the sound in the word in beat or in seat. To produce these vowels, we have make long to the sound. It is chart high vowel. E is high and front vowel. Next is a front high unrounded lax vowel represented by the symbol called small capital E. This is the sound in the word bit. Here is what it looks like. It is a short vowel. Moving downward, we next encounter a front mid unrounded tense vowel represented by the symbol A. E A. This is the sound in the word bait. Bait. It is mid vowel. Next is front mid unrounded lax vowel represented by the symbol called epsilon. This is the sound in the word bat. Here is what it looks like. It is epsilon and mid vowel. Next one is ash. Moving down again, we next encounter front low unrounded lax vowel represented by the symbol called ash. This is the sound in the word bat. Moving to the upper right corner of our abstract mouth, we next encounter a high, back, tense, unrounded vowel represented by the symbol oo. This is the sound in the word boot. Boot. It is back vowel. Next is the high back lax and rounded vowel represented by the symbol called epsilon. This is the sound in the word foot. Here is what it looks like. Moving downward, we next encounter a back mid tense rounded vowel represented by the symbol O. This is the sound in the word boat. It is back mid vowel. Next is back mid lax rounded vowel represented by the symbol called open or sometimes backward C. This is the sound in the word heart. Here is what it looks like. Moving downward, we next encounter a back low lax unrounded vowel represented by the symbol A. This is the sound in the word father. Finally, moving to the middle of our abstract mouth, we encounter a central mid lax unrounded vowel represented by the symbol called Ashwa. This is the initial sound in the word about. There is what it looks like. Ashwa, Ashwa, as in away. Shava has a stressed counterpart known as inverted or wedge. Wedge. This is called wedge. This is the vowel sound in the word, but it looks like this. This is a wedge vowel. And in this graph frequency of second format versus frequency of first format of 10 vowels by 76 speakers. It is collected data from different speakers about vowel sounds. It is received pronunciation of vowel sounds as in e in heed, e in head, a in bay, a in bed, a in had, a in buy, u in shoe, u in put, o in bought, a in ego, epsilon is used in bird, cup, hard, hard, in hard. It is received pronunciation of vowel sound. Thank you so much. We will see next video.